Big dude. Put a big boogie in the background. Big dude.
Okay. With the big marshmallows, but I thought it would be better.
My sister had it with the big marshmallows before, but they were circle shape.
Yeah.
Okay, we got action now.
Can I do it?
Hold on, it ain't ready yet. Hold on. Get your cracker ready.
It's ready.
Okay. Go ahead. Blow. You did?
My sister put them in the... Oh.
Definitely my first time, man.
First time making s'mores? Sticky
Look
butt.
at this. Daddy, look at this.
First time in a long time for Bae?
Y'all, look at this.
Sticky. Did you make s'mores before?
Go ahead. Bon appetit.
You zoom in, you can see it?
Yep.
Let me see.
Might as well kiss.
Okay, you want to taste it, Bobo? But
Mmm. It's fine though.
Can I try it?
I'm gonna record it unless you do yours. You can find your own.
Okay. I can find it.
Go ahead.
Get some of that.
Nobody can see?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Vontae.
Mm-hmm. It's crazy how this weather just changed up, too. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is a little fog, nothing major, especially coming from the Midwest. This is something slight. This is nothing, for real. But it's about to pop, y'all. It's showtime. What's poppin'? It's KG Go Hard, and I'm back with another video. You already know what y'all about to get, man. Tune in with your boy. It's about to go crazy. We going up every day, and if you ain't like to subscribe, do so now, because it's about to jump. What's poppin', y'all? Y'all see it, man. We outside. It's a little chilly out here, man. So we got the sleeves on. It's after hours. Sun's still in town, man. So, you know, it's still a celebration. I'm actually about to, we about to make some s'mores, man, you know. Do the fam thing. So I'm about to use this fire pit for the first time. Hopefully we got enough light. But let me see. We never use this. Just put a little cover on it. Brand spanking new cover to the. All right, so never done this. Let's see, get our s'mores on, man. So we can leave that in there. Throw the wood in there. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Got a fresh box of firewood. We probably didn't even have to buy this, but you know, I don't know, man. My fiance extra, so. What we're gonna be burning, man, is Pine Mountain, man. You feel me? I think she got this from like Walmart or something. But I'm gonna just take one of these logs. So this is what Pine Mountain firewood looks like. It feels kind of sticky too. So I guess this may be supposed to burn safer, maybe burn longer. I don't know. But let's put it in there. We not finna be out here all night, so truthfully, we probably only need, not even probably, we only need 1 log, and that's more than we need. I mean, we only burn the s'mores a couple minutes, but so that's that. I don't know how I'm supposed to light it, but I'll read the directions, I guess. Put that back on there. All right, so guess that's how it's supposed to look. You know what I'm saying? Got all the safety measures. So I'm about to see right now if we can just light this, man. Have to find out right now. Okay. Burn 1 fire log at a time. Only add another fire log when the first fire log is out. Ensure you have no downdraft. So I don't say nothing specifically about lighting it. Do not use flammable liquids or fireplace gas log lighters to ignite fire log. Supervision required. So let's get it lit. All right, so I guess it didn't do me no good to be reading the directions, because once I looked at the pictures right here, see it clear as day. Without tearing, loosen paper around fire log. Place 1 fire log in grate near the rear of the wood burning place. Wow, man. Lift the top seam at each arrow. Close fireplace. It still don't tell you how to burn it, but I'm supposed to leave this in here. Oh, light here, right there. So I'm gonna see if I can put it back in there and light it. That's why it felt sticky. It already had flame on it. It's still sprinkling a little bit too, so let's hurry up and do this. If y'all ain't already liked and subscribed, make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel, man. Put that back in there. All right, I'm about to get a lighter and try and light it right now. All right, y'all, so let's try and light this thing. Let's see if it catches, man. Let's see. We're just trying to get us some s'mores. I don't know if y'all can hear the raindrops hitting the ground, but it is still sprinkling out here. Yep, it's catching. So it must be some type of something flammable maybe on the inside. I just want to see if it's going to catch a lot of flame or is it going to start smoking. And yeah, hopefully we'll do our s'more thing, man. You know, I just want to make sure everybody enjoying their holiday season, you know. Feeling blessed, being around the people that you care about and those who care about you the most. And man, you know, lead by example with everything you got going on, man. Because they watching. Everybody watching, man. You feel me? So, y'all see it too, man. Still going on. It's been about 10 minutes, man. 10 minutes. This thing right here probably gonna burn for a long time.
What crackers? Oh, yeah.
Graham crackers. You like graham crackers?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
Dad.
God.
That's. Oh, Dad. This is beautiful.
Big dude. Put a big boogie in the background. Big dude.
Okay. And then the marshmallow go between.
Yep. So as soon as
the
you get
graham
done,
crackers
you
once
put.
they get toasted.
You're gonna be. It's gonna be basically a graham cracker Then it's gonna be the chocolate.
Okay,
Well, I thought you were gonna do it one at a time just to show them how to do it.
But
They can
she
wait.
started getting close.
Y'all just wait.
Just wait, but. Oh, mine's getting nice and toasty.
Yeah, you just basically melting that, and then you're gonna slap that on your.
In
Wait, Zaya, just wait, just hold on.
Yeah, wait.
Let's get one successful one done first.
Okay.
Okay.
If we really was probably out here, we probably could have used two, but it don't make sense to use two and not really use the whole log. I like this.
No, hell no. No, you talking about the so to have a bigger fire?
Yeah, a bigger.
No, really, I could have broke that log almost. You know what I'm saying? I just didn't know if I was supposed to take it out or what.
Is this warm enough? Oh, no, not on both sides.
If you had a regular sized marshmallow, it wouldn't have been like that.
Oh.
No, it can burn though. It's cool.
Yes.
It ain't gonna do nothing. We get 100 of them sticks anyway. Yeah. How many people here is their first time making s'mores? This your first time making s'mores?
No.
You did?
My sister put them in the. Oh.
Definitely my first time, man.
First time making s'mores? Sticky
Look
butt.
at this, Daddy. Look at this.
First time in a long time for Bae.
Y'all, look at this.
Sticky. Did you make s'mores before? You did?
I don't think you
Mine.
put
No.
yours close enough. 'Cause
Daddy,
yours don't even look burned. You see how mine
Yeah,
already
see.
toasted?
Burnt though.
No, but it's cool
That's
though.
the tip.
No,
You need
no,
your
he
marshmallow
talking about his
toasted.
No, it's toasting. His is. You just can't see it.
Oh,
Where my? Damn, I ain't got no marshmallow.
it's right here.
Let me do one of theirs. Give me yours, bud. Let me see.
Can I do it?
Not yet. We need to get one successful one though. We trying to figure it out. I think y'all might be scared of the fire a little bit. I don't know. I only got this guard on here just because these kids out here though. I think
Yeah.
if we get in there, you know. But yeah, I ain't hitting. Mine already doing the brown thing.
Yeah, your turn. Fast. We right by the flame.
I just got it. This spot was open. I just got in there. Yeah.
Wait till it just come out.
Mm-hmm. But okay, forget it. So you want to make the first sandwich there?
I need mine a little
Okay,
bit
it's gonna. All right. Matter of fact, somebody gonna have to record.
I can record.
Hold on, let me
Okay,
get
here,
a
just
chair.
hold it there. You can if you hold it and do the recording. I mean,
What?
okay. Let me see.
Tell me this, what?
So I'm gonna do graham cracker. My hands ashy. I just washed them and they put them on.
Yeah, it's been
So
raining all damn day.
So I'm gonna try this. So I think these might be too big. Yeah, see, babe, these might be too big. Cause you see mine damn, they're black and it wasn't even ready.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. See, I never had the big ones, but I feel like the big ones make up the more.
I just saw some thunder.
It's all right. When you see a coyote, let me know. Look, I gotta
Oh yeah, that's perfect. But you just should blow that out.
I am. I want to make sure it's already, because it was just the outside at first.
That's a major black.
He ain't gonna be able to taste it. He shouldn't be able to.
Dang, that thing's.
It got a little squish going on to it now. But it's
That's
still-
how yours are supposed to be.
Let me see.
Just like Daddy's. I think you should put the marshmallow on top of the chocolate. Go ahead. Bon appetit.
You zoom in, you can see it.
Okay.
Yep.
Let me see.
Might as well catch this.
Okay, you want to taste it, Bubba? But
Mmm. Okay. So, it's fine though. We can clean it.
Can I try it?
I'm gonna record it and let you do yours. You can file your own.
Okay. I can find mine.
Go ahead.
Let me get some of that.
Nobody can see.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Vontae.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. You gonna have to leave it on there for a minute, there.
Leave it on there.
Yeah, I mean you gotta leave it in the fire for a minute. You want to taste again? You still chewing that marshmallow got you going on. If it take you too long to assemble it, your heat gonna be gone. Lick it. You take it off your finger. It's marshmallow. Mmm. Okay.
Girl, you got a little bit.
Did yours milk come out there?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Mine hitting like it's more supposed to though. For real. I don't know if y'all let y'all heat do it. Get in there. It's right here. We're gonna make another one in a minute. You wanna hold it? Here. Hold it with 2 hands.
For the steak.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Why is this busting?
Let me see what's there got going on. Let's see if you in there yet.
No.
Almost. You want me to hold it for you? Go and get your stuff ready.
Okay.
You say how you gonna layer yours?
Chocolate first.
No, you gotta have graham cracker first. Are you gonna have chocolate? Okay, boom. And then what?
Cracker chocolate, then marshmallows, and another graham cracker.
Okay, bet.
You like it with the big marshmallows, but I thought it would be better.
My sister had it with the big marshmallows before, but they were circle shape.
Yeah.
Okay, we got action now.
Can I do it?
Oh, it ain't ready yet. Hold on. Get your cracker ready.
It's ready.
Okay. Go ahead. Well.
Ooh, that's good.
Okay, you gonna put that first?
Yeah.
Okay, put your stuff on top. Go ahead.
Let go.
No. Turn it the other way. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
turn
Turn your
the
stuff.
way,
Turn.
crazy.
Stack it the way you gonna stack it, there.
The graham cracker
Put the graham
on
cracker on top.
outside, babe.
How do I do this?
Put the chocolate
first.
Cracker. Yeah. Eat it.
Okay, now smash it down.
Oh, it got that thickness too.
Yeah.
I will keep another.
Yeah. You thought I told this is a tease. You gonna need like 4 of these. It's all good. You just got extra marshmallow. This marshmallow too big, but you see how much marshmallow you still got on there? That's how much. That's all you need, really, for real. You got a whole marshmallow after that. Okay, it's still burning. It's gonna burn for like another 15 hours though, so we might as well go ahead and make 5, 6. Is some more Hershey's in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody had a test run. It's good, Sticky Butt.
Mine wasn't melted all the way.
Ooh, look at you melting. Look, the butt's still melting. You see what I'm saying? Y'all get that heat right.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's going
Mine
down.
was like halfway melted.
Or you just damn near use half a marshmallow though. That might be all you need. It's busting. You get it together. Okay, then. Yee. It's a hit. Stop jumping in here, Sneaky.
I can wash my hands.